In primetime news this evening, saving with banks but losing cash. More damning stories of customers missing monies from their accounts at financial institutions.
Daring gun attack in front of Jamaica House. Questions about where in Jamaica is safe. And criminals pull off a daring robbery on the compound of the Portmore Municipal Corporation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air at onespotmedia.com, on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and also a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green. And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business news, Massey Holdings appoints new general counsel.
And Jermaine Brown is also here. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. As the West Indies gear up for their tough tour of Australia, well, more players have made themselves unavailable this time for the white ball portion of that tour. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And we had some strong winds today. Romaine Robinson, what can you tell us about the weather?
Thanks, Andrea. We still have very high pressures across most of the Caribbean, and this high pressure is helping to drive these strong winds right across the basin all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
This evening we're asking, how would you improve the local entertainment industry?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.